Can we define what we mean by stress? Stress is our mental, physical, and behavioral response to anxiety producing events. Too much stress can result in serious physical, psychological, interpersonal, or performance problems. The amount of stress that we experience depends on how much stress we have, how long we have it, and how we are able to manage it. Keep in mind, not all stress is bad. In 1974, Richard Lazarus coined the term eustress to describe stressful situations that have a positive benefit. Positive stress motivates, increases energy levels, and can drive people forward to embrace the work before them. Having positive energy and stress available will support the initiative that is underway. Different things stress different people out. For some people, a messy house can cause stress. For others, being late makes them feel anxious. This course will help you identify what makes you stressed and what you can do about it. Now, let's look at the costs of stress. Costs of stress on the job can include errors, absenteeism, conflict, low morale, high staff turnover, poor decisions or no decisions, accidents. The physical and mental symptoms of stress can include high blood pressure, risk of heart attack, risk of a stroke, risk of diabetes, migraines, always tired, always angry, not feeling much of anything. So, how do you feel when you are under stress? Let's say your alarm clock goes off late, or your child is sick, or you are late for work, or you spill coffee on your suit in the car, or you don't have time for breakfast. Any one of those things can get your day off to a bad start. Let's say, though, that your alarm clock goes off late. Then you discover that your child is sick, and you need to make arrangements for her to stay home from school. You're late getting to work, so you miss breakfast and grab a coffee on the way, which of course you spill on your suit. Events can pile up, making each one exponentially worse. Keep in mind, one way of managing precipitating factors is to have a sense of humor. As difficult as it can be when everything is going wrong, try to see the funny side in things. It's a comedy of errors. You may also want to put things in perspective. I know Johnny is really sick right now, but I'm sure it's just the flu. He'll be all right tomorrow. Now, ask yourself, how do you cope when everything goes wrong? Stress is our mental, physical, and behavioral response to anxiety-producing events. Different events trigger different stresses for different people. Also, several stressors combined, called precipitating factors, can increase your stress level exponentially. Too much stress can cause problems on the job, health issues, and psychological issues. We can use tools like the Holmes-Ray Stress Inventory to help us identify where our stressors are, and then form a plan of action to cope with them.